Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm John Geek and today I'm gonna talk about Adobe Photoshop FireFly. Are you ready? Let's get started! Adobe Photoshop is a powerhouse when it comes to image editing and manipulation. It offers a vast array of tools and features that allow us to enhance, retouch and transform our photo like never before. But what truly sets Photoshop apart is its integration with artificial intelligence, enabling us to unleash a new level of creativity and efficiency. One of the groundbreaking advancements in Photoshop is the integration of AI technology, Adobe FireFly, which allows us to generate images using intelligent algorithms. Imagine being able to create stunning visuals with just a few clicks. With AI-powered features like Generative AI Fill and FireFly, Photoshop can analyze your image and generate realistic content or apply artistic effects effortlessly. Now let's jump into the practical side and witness the power of Photoshop's AI capabilities. I prepared some examples to demonstrate how we can leverage these features to achieve incredible results. Pay close attention to each step I take and feel free to ask any questions in comments below. Okay guys, let's do some practice. So as you can see from this picture, I created this whole picture. I gave him sunglasses and even cell phone and all of them like separate layers. One layer, another layer. So, and I did nothing. Everything did for me FireFly. New AI feature in Adobe Photoshop, and you can do it also. So let's practice. I just chose that rectangle selection tool and I would like to put here some Rolex watches. Press Generative Fill button and then Rolex watches. Okay, let's generate. Just wait, here's some green bar. And FireFly will give you 3 different options. So you see from 1 to 3. Okay, looks good actually. Actually, this is like separate layer, just like this. But let's check second option. A little bit loose and also good. If you want more options, just press again generate button and wait, and it will be already 6 options. Before was 3 options, and every time when you press generate button you will have 3 more options. Let's check 4th option. Not bad. And 5th. Okay, and 6th. So as we can see, we have many options. I guess this one the best one. But if you want more options, press the generative button again. Not really good. This one the best one. Okay, so let's check another pictures. So everybody knows and seen this before. Yes, some meme funny pictures. Okay, let's do something interesting with it, and I would like to make white color. So let's generate something. I just press W for magic wand and click here and then press the generative fill button. So let's try and see what will be next. Just generate automatically, no need to write anything. It's up to you, can write, but I just press the button, generate and wait. I'm telling you guys, will be something interesting. Wow, unbelievable. That's something awful, guys. It's awful, but we have few options. You remember 3 options from 1 generation. Okay, let's go. Bad. This not really good, but better than this one. Okay, let's generate again. I think this is the best option. Okay, let's go to the next. For example, this girl on the swing, and I want her to be in the ballet. For example, this will be white. Generate fill right here, for example, in the jungle of Bali Island. Okay, let's go. Wow, not bad. Really not bad. Let's check another option. More better. Also good. Okay, let's check another example. Okay, say bye-bye. And wow, Leonardo DiCaprio. Yes, and press the button Generative Fill. Go. Oh wow, what do we have? What do we have? Wow, it's like a picture. It's like a picture. But we have few options. Let's go. More better. Could be okay. Let me generate something more. Let me generate more options. Okay, some texture. Okay, I would like to do something. The man is sitting. That's an effect. The Leo doing selfie. Let's check next option. No. What the heck? This one more better. So we can clean this part. For example, here and then here and like this. Here and like here and like I don't like this. Okay, next option. Okay. Garlami. Wow, that's I understand. Not bad. And we have few options. Let's go. Wow. Option number 2. It's really interesting. What about this woman and that guy? Who they are actually? Okay, option number 3. Oh no. Garlami. This option is the best for Brad Pitt. Okay, and you know what? Actually, this is a layer. You see? And Adobe FireFly just made for us full picture. Okay, let's go to the Gatsby. Okay, what we can do here? Can you imagine what will be? Let's check then. In all view. Okay, let's use magic wand to select all white area and click the button Generative Fill. So this is Leo, and we click again Generate. Oscar ceremony. Okay, next option. What is this actually? Some woman hair, or what is this actually? Okay, option number 3. Nah, let's generate again. Should be something interesting and decent and worth. No. Next. Are you kidding me? Garlami. On the party with his friends, hanging out in the night. Really? What the heck? Oh no, guys, look at here. Is it okay? What do you think? What if I do like this? Garlami. Not bad, yeah? More better. What about this? Oops. Oh no, some monster here. All of them like monster like this. And Leo with all these crazy stupid guys. Okay, let's go back and try another option. 1, 2. Oh no. What is here? Puff. Poof. PFPPF. Oh no, Leo. Not really good company. I want to generate something else. Oh no, again. So you see Firefly always studying and growing up, and result will be more better. On the rooftop with Santa Claus. Go. Really? Unbelievable. Okay guys, that's it. So you can see this result, and they are awesome. That's right, guys. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumb up and consider subscribing my channel for more exciting content. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the new Photoshop Firefly and how it can elevate your creative projects. Leave your comments below and let's start a conversation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired. Bye. Bye.